Hey, it's the #1 gamer here, giving you a 200k pack opening, and there has been some content dropping as like 3 legends came out yesterday, and I'm just gonna do a pack opening, 200k. Let's see if we can get any elite pulls. Alright, let's get right into it. First pack, 83 Gordon Hayward, profit right there. Let's see if we could get any elite pulls. Alright. Serge Ibaka. Lou Williams. Jamal Crawford, great player. Won 6th Man of the Year a few times. Devin Booker. Al Horford, profit. Hopefully I can make a lot of profit so I can get you guys more videos, maybe like gameplays, stuff like that. Hopefully we could pack a few elites. Tyreek Evans. Michael Carter Williams. Andrew Wiggins. Joakim Noah. Damian Lillard impact. Damian Lillard is one of my favorite players of all time. Goran Dragic did pretty good in the playoffs. Dang. Alright, I got the Kyle Korver silver that goes for like 2K, 3K, and then I got the Paul George. Paul George is a very rare card. Goran Dragic once again. Hassan Whiteside, let's go. 2 elites so far. Marc Gasol, let's go. Hopefully we can get some more elites. Jabari Parker. DeMarcus Cousins, 3 elites in a 200k pack opening so far. Jay Crowder. Jay Crowder back to back. Great player so far. Oh, I accidentally opened a starter pack. Mason Plumlee. Arrow Flalo. That'll be it for the pack opening. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.